Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to understand the basic structure and functions of the mitochondria, also known as the powerhouse of the cell, one of the most complex and interesting organelles. Well, we'll discuss some of the more complex processes that take place in the mitochondria, such as ATP synthesis, the Krebs cycle, and the electron transport chain later in the semester. Today is just a chance to learn how the tiny mitochondria contributes to our day-to-day activities. I hope you enjoy.
Mitochondria are the power plants of almost all living things with complex cell structures, including animals, plants, and human beings. They provide energy for a cell to move, divide, and do all the things it needs to do to function properly. The unique shape of mitochondria increases their surface area. The folds you see here are called cristae, and they contain proteins that carry out energy-harvesting chemical reactions to create ATP, a fuel source for the cell. Another interesting thing about mitochondria is that they contain their own DNA, separate from the rest of the genes in a cell. This is one reason why some researchers suggest that ancient mitochondria may have been bacteria that eventually entered into a symbiotic relationship with other cells. Humans, like most species, inherit mitochondrial DNA solely from the mother. Because of this, the DNA has changed very little over thousands of years, so it is very useful for tracking the genetic history of a species. Thanks to mitochondria, we can trace the origin of human beings centuries back to one small group of individuals. The central role of mitochondria in energy production, cell division, and the history of life means this little powerhouse packs a real punch.
There you have it, a basic how-to guide of how to understand the mitochondria and its structures and functions. So next time you're riding your bike or digesting a meal, remember to thank the mitochondria in your muscles or in your intestinal tract for all that they do for you. Powerhouse of the cell.